So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the 11th challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So here you can see we have the problem statement. We have to create a custom modal basically using React components and React hooks. So the problem statement, we have it: implement a modal pop-up content that can be triggered to open or close. Customize the content of the modal and add a button to open and close it. So here you can see we have a basic HTML and we have to implement the logic for that. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So first of all, think by yourself and try to solve this challenge. So I hope you all have tried. So let's get started. First, we will going to make a use state. So for that, we will import use state from React. Now we will make is modal open, which is basically a modal state. And initially, it will be false. Okay, now below this div. So now we will show the HTML on the basis of the use state. So we will write if modal open is true, then with the help of and operator we will make some custom HTML. So we will write div.custom modal, we will write h2, and inside h2 we will write custom modal content. We will make one paragraph. This is a simple modal example. Now we will make a button which help us to close this modal. So we will write close modal. We will give some class name which will help to write CSS, btn danger, class name modal para, class name modal heading. So now we will make one on click function by which our modal will get generated. So we will write open modal. We will define this function open modal here. Const open modal is equal to JavaScript arrow function, and what it will does, it will set the final state to true basically. So now you can see if I save this file and if I click on this button, then you can see our custom modal is getting generated, but we want a close modal also and some custom CSS which will make the UI attractive. So now we will get back to our code, and here we will write one function on click, we will fire close modal, and same const close modal is equals to arrow function, and it will set the final state to false basically. Open for true, close for false. So now you can see after close modal the modal will get closed. So now we will write some custom CSS. So we will wrap this code into a div basically, and we will give a class name which is modal div. So now our HTML is ready and logic is also ready. So now we have to enhance the styling. So we will go to our modal.css file, and here we will write some custom CSS for the modal. So first we will write for modal div. Modal div is basically the parent div of the modal. So we will make position to be relative so that we can target the custom modal now. So custom modal, we will write display flex, justify content center, align item center, flex direction column, background I will use 2C3 E50, width to be 50%, margin will be auto, padding will be 50 pixel, position will be absolute. And now for center the div, we will use left 50%, top 50%, transform translate -50%, -50%. So it will center our div. And now 6 pixel of border radius. Okay, now we have the modal heading, which is basically this one. The h2n paragraph, we have modal heading and modal para. So we will target our modal heading and we will give color to FFF, and same we will do this for modal para also. So when I save this file and I will refresh the web page and I will click on the button, okay, our CSS is not working. So okay, so we have to import our CSS also, modal.css. Now it will work. So you will see something like this. When I close the modal will get closed. When I will click on to see the modal, you can see the modal will get displayed. So this is something, this is a custom modal we have implemented on the basis of React use state and some functional component features and basic HTML CSS. You can also enhance this part of code, and you can also apply some more layout structure and some more logic into it. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And till then, thank you for watching.